Welcome back. In this segment, I want to answer the question, why do we need mod p? What happens if you just do f of x equal to ax plus k and forget about doing mod p? So consider this example. F of x is 2x plus 3. Okay. Let us draw the line for f of x equal to 2x plus 3. This is a linear equation. So f of x equal to x plus 3 will have something like this. Slope is 2. And at the x is equal to 0, the value of y is 3, meaning f of x is 3. So this is the equation. In cryptography, we often don't like patterns like this. You have a nice straight line linear equation. We want to destroy patterns wherever we can. Let's look at the same with mod 5. 4, 5 points are all scattered. You can't draw a line for this, right? This is not a linear equation in the sense that you see here. It's a nice linear equation. Here the points are scattered. Okay, so the mod operator destroys the pattern. That's good. But I wanted to tell you something even more interesting. On the left-hand side, if you know one point, you don't really know the line, right? You could have drawn the line in many different ways if you just know only one point on the line. You need 2 points, at least 2 points to draw the line. Let me explain it in this way. We expect the shares to be available at least from 2 people. Okay, otherwise we can't find A and K. We talked about that in the previous segment. All right. Let's now focus on the scenario where I forget about mod and just use f of x equal to 2x plus 3, for example. Okay. Of course, you don't know as an attacker the values 2 and 3. Okay. But let's assume that only one particular point value is leaked. Okay. So let's consider this scenario now. The value for the point 4 was leaked. Okay. F of 4. What is f of 4? Without mod p, f of 4 will be 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, right? F of 4 is 11. And now you can start playing the game. So you know the general equation, right? Ax plus k. That means you don't know A, of course. This is A and this is K. You don't know these two, but you only know this mapping 4 mapped to 11. So how do we go about it? How did we get 4? F of 4 means your x must be 4. So it's 4A plus K is equal to 11. All right. Which means K is 11 minus 4A, right? If you assume K and A are positive numbers greater than 0, now we can start playing the game easily. We can see that when A becomes 3, K will become negative. So A cannot be more than 3. That means we can say A must be either 1 or 2, right? Because we assumed A cannot be 0. So already you have a nice attack. Once you remove mod, you can nail down the possible values for your secrets A and K, right? The K is the secret that you are splitting among the participants, but you are not able to recover A and K from only one point when you use with mod P. But on the other hand, if you don't use mod P, you are able to nail down the values of A. A is either 1 or 2. Okay, which means for every A, you can easily try the corresponding K. It means let's assume A is 1, then K will become 11 minus 4 is 7, right? So K will become 7 or K will become 3. And that's really nice. You are able to reduce the state space of the possible values significantly. Once mod is ignored, the possible values are reduced. Okay. On the other hand, here on the right-hand side with mod, if you know only one point, let's say somebody is leaking the value for 4, what is f of 4? F of 4 is 1, right? 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 mod 5 is 1. Knowing 4, 1 doesn't help you at all, because with 4, 1 being one pair, you cannot say A must be 2, B must be 3, and all those things. You can't say that. Let me show you why, because we talked about it earlier. Very quickly, I will show that. Let's say 4, 1. Okay. Let me generate the table again. Suppose somebody gives you only 1 point. Here is only 1 point. Somebody says my f of 4 is 1. Okay, here is your x being 4, and then you can look at 1. Okay, here is 1. That means the A value could have been 1, K value could have been 2. But then you can also have A value to be 2, B value to be 3. All possible A values and B values are possible. With just knowing 1 point doesn't help you much when you do mod P. That's the reason why we do mod P on this particular problem. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.